Right, I'm up. Now is currently 2 a.m. So let's go. 10 minutes away from the bakery from home, which is pretty close. Everywhere is dark. Check the time is 2:24. I'm in. The target or the goal this weekend is to turn over 3 grand in sales. And so today, Saturday, and yesterday was Friday. We did 1,000. So now I have 2,000 to go. So let's do this. I have lots of things to do. I've got some bread. I need to bake some bread, make brownies. What else? Bake over 100 sausage rolls. That's gonna be fun. And bake some bread buns, croissants. First thing I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna prove some croissants in here. That's where the butter here melted for almond cream. And I have this dish. So this bowl put in here, keep it warm for brownies. So when I melt the butter, put in here. It's like a treat, so far. It'll be a good idea today. So I put this here to keep it warm. The proof is warm. To keep it warm. So when I melt the butter in the oven, which I'm gonna do soon after I load the bread, so I can make the brownies. So I can put the butter here and then keep it warm and then put the sugar in so it melt the sugar. Split the Feta first. Alright. Proof is full. This one's gonna go in the oven. So now all the oven go. They've got breads buns on top. 1, 2, 3, and the croissants and stuff are proving here. So now is the time to load sourdough. It's going to be a non-stop day today. Back to back. So I need to be done today by latest 8 a.m. So I can go do 3 deliveries, 1 wholesale, 2 private, 1 private, 1 collection, which is the butcher coming to get some burger buns. You've seen that there's a big tub of dough, so I can make burger buns today, this morning as well. So yeah, that, and then I'm going to my farmer's market. Busy. Bread loaded. Now I'm gonna make brownies. So here we are at the brownie station, or the making station. I've prepped pretty much everything for the brownies, so I don't have to come in faff around because I have to do a lot of stuff today. Like I mentioned, I'm doing brownies. I still need to cut the croissants for all my croissants are there. I'm baking some loaves now, and then I'm gonna shape burger buns and the baked croissants later when they're approved. So now I'm going to put this here while it's hot, the butter while it's hot. The mix, if you can see from there, all chocolatey. I'm hoping to have 2 batches, 1 here and 1 there. Right, now it's time to bake. Check the bread. Ready? One at a time. I'll start with small and then go to the big one. Just make sure there's no chocolates in here. Now it's time to unload the bread, which is these two ovens, and then let oven heat up a little bit more, and then bake sausage rolls. But I'm gonna bake sausage roll after I've shaped these, shape the buns. Easy one, man. Okay. Looking good. Right, now I'm gonna wash my hands and give myself 40 minutes to shape these guys while the oven's warming up, and then I'll bake sausage rolls. Starting to bake pastries like croissants and stuff. I baked some cinnamon buns already, 2 trays. Now I'm baking pain au chocolat. Still baking sausage roll. I'll bake another 3 trays. I bake 3. I bake another tray here. I bake 3 more neck as well. There's a lot going on. There's a lot going on. But time is looking good. Now it's 5 to 6. The butchers will be here in the next hour, let's say so. Hopefully come in next hour, because the buns are not fully ready to bake. So I need these buns to be ready. I got 80 buns for the butcher. We got hog roast today, a wedding I suppose, I think. I'm supplying, which is nice. I need to mix a batch of focaccia for tomorrow. So I'm supplying focaccia and 200 burger buns for open day farmers market or farm day or something. So yeah, that should be nice. This is spinach and feta swirls with a little bit of cheddar cheese. Delicious. Looking good, pain au chocolat. 4 trays of cinnamon buns left to bake. I've baked 2 already. So I've got, I think I have, how many? 3, that's 90 plus 12, 102 plus 12, 140 plus 6, 12, 24. 24 plus 124, that's 148 or something. I would have left 6 for myself to sell in the farmer's market. I will take 20, 30 somewhere else. Happy day! So here we are so far. Sausage roll baked here. There's some more here. Almond croissants baked. Burger buns about to go in. Cinnamon buns here. Some more cinnamon buns here. The butcher's calling. Croissants are baking. Cinnamon buns. And we got sausage rolls in here. Pastries, little pain au chocolat. Pain au raisin. Spinach and feta, more pain au chocolat. And some brownies. Yeah, we're going good. Burger buns already. And the butcher's here as well. It's Sunday today. Yesterday I came back and I did a quick cleaning and stuff, and I mixed this dough. Then I went home. I was so tired to film and stuff. But the good news is the target was reached. £3,000 in this weekend. That was the goal. So yeah, that's something to celebrate. Yeah, it's been a challenge, just a challenging week. Challenging baking yesterday. So I baked quite a lot of sausage roll, a lot of cinnamon buns. Bread not so much, like Feta bread. And other pastries and stuff. So I was supplying to two events and a butcher. Yeah, it was an experience. The preparation for it was not intense really, because I've enough experience now that I know what do I need, how do I do it to get the level I want to do it. The challenge is on a baking day. For example, I ran out of trays yesterday. So I had to think how can I bake it? Like, so I needed to bake sausage roll like on demand, bacon. So I baked 3 trays. Use the same trays again, like wash and use again, and then for almond croissants, so you seen in the video, I put them on a tray, on a plastic tub, on a wooden tray, and then when I had some trays, move them out in a tray to bake. So beautiful. Here we are, all baked this morning, Sunday, finishing off 200 buns of burger buns, 2 large focaccias. Mission accomplished. Yeah, now I can have my cup of tea in peace and fulfilled. I finished the mission. Reached the goal. I baked everything. I'm happy. To close, you can think about this phrase to remember. It's all good and celebrating our goals and achievements, but what's more important is what we become in the process of pursuing our goals or dreams. And you like to enjoy the video, please give us a like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bake the world a better place. Thank you for watching. See you next time.